Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So you guys won't be seeing my face today. I'm really sorry about that, but I haven't been feeling well these couple of days, so I didn't get to record the content, my usual content, right? But I still wanted to put a video out, and I thought maybe this video somebody might find it helpful and all of that. This video is going to be very short and I think informative, so definitely stick around if you're a upcoming YouTuber, or if you want to start a YouTube channel, or if you have a friend with a YouTube channel, share this video with them and just, you know, spread the information. Alright, so I'm basically going to show you guys 3 things very quickly. So as you can see, I'm on my laptop and I'm going to show you guys 3 main ways that you want to customize your YouTube channel if you have a YouTube channel or if you ever start one. So the first way is to make sure that you have a channel banner, and that's this right here that the cursor is on. A channel trailer. So make sure your channel has a channel trailer, which is a video that persons will see when they first go to your channel. So mine, I have this one right now because I made a mini version of it on TikTok and it has been getting some traction, so I made sure to put it here, so when those persons from TikTok come to my channel to find this video, it's very easy for them. If you have a video on your channel that has been doing very well, you can put that for your channel trailer so more people can discover it and possibly subscribe. Or if you are promoting a specific video like myself on a specific platform and you realize that, you know, people are interested in it, then you can put that for your channel trailer. And how you do this is you go to customize channel and then you will see it right here on the layout. You will see video spotlight, add a video. I believe you have to do this from a laptop, so if you can get access to a laptop, if you don't have one, that would be good. If you have one, great. This is the channel trailer that you would put for those persons who are seeing your channel for the very first time, and this is one for your returning subscribers. So I have this one because it's my latest vlog. But yeah, that's how you do it. And this will bring me right into my next tip, is to add playlist. Add your playlist to your channel. Make sure you're adding your videos to playlist because this can increase your watch time. For example, a viewer comes to your page and they are interested in fashion, for example, because that's my thing. So if they see you have a whole playlist of hauls, it will be very easy for them to binge watch your haul videos because they are into fashion and they see this playlist and it'll catch them eye. But if your videos were all over the place now, it would be hard for them to find those specific videos that they are interested in. When you add your videos to playlist, they don't automatically go here. You have to do it for yourself. Let me try to show you guys. So if I go home to my channel and I scroll down, you will see these headings on my channel. So you see vlogs right here. The orientation or the layout of it will be different on like a smaller device. It will be vertical, but you get the gist I'm saying. I have vlogs right here, I have my how-to videos, I have hauls, and I have my challenges. So, you know, it gives your YouTube page a form of organization. It makes it looks, you know, like people actually want to watch your channel when they actually visit your channel because it looks all organized. So yeah, so let me go back to show you guys how you actually add those to your channel. It would be right here where it said features section. You see it says customize the layout of your channel homepage with up to 12 sections. This is where you'll say add section, and then you will say single playlist. So when you've added your playlist, this is where you say single playlist, and then your playlist will appear, and then you just select them, and then those playlists will automatically appear on your home page with the title you've given them and everything. So that's one way to optimize your channel. The next one I would say is to download vidiq. So this little icon that I have up here, it's vidiq. So with vidiq, for example, when you're uploading a new video, when you have vidiq linked to your YouTube, and basically you just type in vidiq into your web browser and you sign up with your YouTube channel, and it will automatically link. It will be automatically linked to your channel. So when you're uploading a video now, you'll get these tips to help you. So they have like a title suggestion thing, even though you only get a limited version of these with the free version. I don't have the paid version right now, but I think the paid version is called vidiq Boost. It gives you tag suggestions, and it shows you how your tags are ranked and how popular they are and stuff like that. So basically, you know, the likelihood of it helping the video to get pushed out to more people. Recommended tags are right here. You can choose them or you cannot choose them based on the video that you're putting out. Also over this side now, if you scroll down over this side, you'll see where it gives you kind of like a checklist. It shows you like how optimized your video is by giving you like a checklist. You see add cards. I have all of these, except that my video is not monetized. Like, y'all help me get to 1K so I can get monetized. But yeah, it shows you how your tag count is, your description count, and all of that. All of those nice little things that, you know, kind of help your video to get more views, if you would say that. It hasn't helped me significantly yet, but I'm sure if I continue doing it and I'm consistent, I'll see results over time. So that's something that has helped me with just finding the right tags and stuff like that. So I just wanted to share these things with you guys.